I am Jinesh Sebastian, PGT English, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Coimbatore. I have done a small project that is an interview of two persons residing in Japan. This interview aims at bringing outside authentic experience into classroom. Welcome to a short episode on the chapter The Enemy. I am glad to introduce to you the two guests who are with me today.
My name is Miku Taniguchi. Thank you again, Mr. Jinesh Sebastian.
I interviewed two people. One is Miss Miku Taniguchi, a Japanese student, and another person is Mr. Manish Kumar Mondotia, who is doing his research in Miyagi University of Teacher Education.
Konnichiwa, my name is Manish Kumar Mondotia.
What is this Japanese miracle, or what is the success story of Japan in you? And there is a chapter in class 12, The Enemy, written by Perlersberg. It talks about a Japanese doctor, the dilemma of a doctor, dilemma between his patriotic feelings, his feelings towards his nation, and his feelings for a human being. So I wanted to bring in the patriotic feelings of Japanese into the class to make my students understand how Japanese value their culture and their tradition and how patriotic they are.
Japanese have a strong sense of duty to what they do every time.
To know about their work culture. Their work culture is really matchless, unparalleled.
After watching this interview, the students got more insight into the Japanese way of living and their thought process.
Bye, thank you once again. Thank you so much. Sayonara.
Thank you.
I strongly believe that this project succeeded in bringing the outside knowledge into the classroom very efficiently.
Good morning everyone, I am Ashmit Chaudhary, studying in standard 9th from KV A4 station Tanjavur. With this video I wanted to show you the comparison between the volume of cylinder and the volume of cone. For this I have taken a cylindrical beaker with the height 8 cm and the radius 3 cm. On the other hand, I have a cone with the same dimensions, that is height 8 cm and the radius 3 cm. We know that the volume of cylinder is pi r square h, whereas the volume of cone is 1/3 of pi r square h, where r stands for radius, h stands for height, and pi is approximately 22/7 or 3.14. With this we can clearly say that the volume of cylinder is 3 times the volume of cone.
So students, here we have the presentation for the chapter. We are going to discuss about manufacturing industries. So first of all, before discussing about manufacturing industry, I want some answers from your side that what is manufacturing?
Making something.
What is manufacturing? So someone is saying making of things.
Production of goods.
Production of goods, correct? Okay. Helps in removal of unemployment and poverty. Is it visible?
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Three bonds are present. And reflection. So this is the observer in the
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
let us execute this program.
For everybody. Now we'll pass on to the third sum.
Reserve should be closed and to workman compensation claim. And when this claim,
when this negative number goes to the right hand side, it will become +1.
वाची शब्द रखने से लुप्त हो जाए तो यह शब्द अलंकार कहलाता है.
So again we need to change the pointers. What was the previous mid? It was 1.
I told you this, and this is how the ship rides on water.
Identify the materials and write down in your notebook.
Here we see two objects, ladder and a ball. It is taking the shape of the glass. Now if you pour water in this bowl,
particles are suspended. So it comes under the suspension, heterogeneous.
Morning children, how are you today? Can you guess who this is?
Morning children, question for you. I was going to say kids, cats, sacks, wives. How many went to St. Ives?
Come on, say.
Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter.
What is 0 of this polynomial? Again, minus 2. Okay. So this is the point minus 2. After coming here to represent.
We will learn spray painting today. As you see, I have taken some
simple sitting posture in a very easy breathing pose.
Shekaran from class 5A. Today my English teacher Amuda ma'am taught us about preposition during our online class. She also suggested that we make a small video on this topic as our assignment. Well, I found it very fascinating to use these prepositions while speaking. So here's my video for you. Preposition establishes a relation between two words in a sentence. Basically, it connects two words to make a better sense of position, place, direction and time. Preposition of position. On. The hat is on my head. This tells that the hat is on my head. In. The hat is in the box. Under. The hat is under the box. Over. The hat is over the box.
Okay, let me show you some more things. Here I am having these two things. If I am trying to press this, tell me, is it pressing? No. Why? Because it is hard. If I try to press this, is it pressing? Yes. Why? Because it is soft. Hard, soft. Hard, soft. So these are also antonyms, or we can say opposites.
Hi, I am Mohammad Iksan of class 4D. I am going to tell about compound words. Compound words are two different words put together to form a new word. I am going to show some examples. Key. Color pencil. Candy plus stick. Candy stick. Water plus bottle. Water bottle.
Today we can play a quiz online. The quiz is based on the poem The Ant and the Cricket. Children, I think you are ready. The story of the poem The Ant and the Cricket is adapted from Panchatantra, Aesop's Fables, Ramayana or Mahabharata. So 20 students have replied. So Pavana Kabira stands first. So children, now we can go to the second question. How did the cricket spend the summer and spring? Yes, 19 students have answered singing as the correct answer. So now here Pavana Kabira is standing ahead. Here comes the third question. In winter, the cricket found that his cupboard was full, empty, partially full, partially empty. 21 have answered empty. So who stands there?
If learning has to be continuously joyful and purposeful, then innovation is the key. We at Kendra Vidyalaya Meenambakam strive to extend this experience to our students during the online sessions as well, infusing freshness, newness, exploring what is best for our students has been our priority. I am Mrs. A. Jyoti, PGT English of Kendra Vidyalaya Meenambakam. Times that bring out the hidden strength in us, we at KV Meenambakam responded spontaneously as a team to face this pandemic situation with all the support system in place to take care of the psychological and emotional well-being of our students. It is important to fight fear with facts, and therefore we contacted children through mail and gave them space to share their insecurities. I wrote elaborately to them and tried to rest their doubts. I also managed to rope in the services of our parents and alumni to guide and motivate students through the flagship program of KVS Tarunotsava. The speakers spoke on varied topics including personality development, communication, career guidance, amongst other topics which were very well received by all. Students were involved in a collaborative project-based learning activity. The online publication of students' creative instincts that would boost their confidence and self-image was brought out. Students' instrument for change. Students were encouraged to keep a watchful eye on the happenings in their personal life and in the society at large, of making learning a joyful experience even during this lockdown period.
I have created e-content learning for my own subjects and uploaded in my YouTube channel.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be great outdoors, forever free.
Learning by doing is the ideal way to develop skills. Activities that provide opportunities for students to imagine and create and perform makes it a rewarding experience. Mrs. Rukmani shares her effective initiatives with us.
आज का बच्चा कल का नागरिक है। उनका सर्वांगीण विकास करना लॉकडाउन पीरियड में भी हमारा लक्ष्य है। अतः उनकी क्रियाकलापों, बच्चों की क्रियाकलापों को मैं रुक्मणी आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करती हूँ।
हे बीरबल, ख्वाजा साहब को तुमसे चांद के रहस्यों को खोजने के लिए भारत ने चंद्रयान 1 और 2 लॉन्च किए थे। मैं भी बड़ी होकर भारत के ऐसे योजनाओं में भाग लेना चाहती हूँ।
The main objective of the topic is to provide students with the chance to acquire mastery over the subject, enhance the quality of learning, understands the acquired concept, and also gives enthusiastic participation. These activities actually transform textbook matter into a real-life experience. The video covers the topics such as the causes of the civil disobedience movement, starting from the arrival of the Simon Commission, a vague of dominion status by Lord Irwin, the Lahore session of the Congress, Gandhiji's letters to Viceroy. Irwin stated 11 demands followed by negligence of the 11 demands by the British, of the Salt March or the Dandi March, and also describes the participation of the rich and poor, explains how the movement come into force in various parts of the country. Role of women finally ends with the Pune Pact. Students play different roles such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lord Irwin, Dr. Ambedkar, role of women, rich and poor peasants, role of industrialist, etc. To use various new technology which is very essential in the new current situation.
I'm Shekina from class 12. I'm immensely grateful to our principal and teachers for being with us and protecting us like the roses between thorns. Shut down between walls and roofs, you unlocked the door of education and live interaction. To all the precious hearts out there, happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone, this is Rajeshwari of class 12. Now I am here to express my thanks and gratitude to all my teachers of KV Vienna. I take this opportunity to give warm wishes to all my teachers of KV Vienna. Thank you dear teachers for your love, support, care, knowledge and motivating us in all aspects. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers of KV Vienna.
Tarunotsav, the flagship program of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, has the following fourfold objectives. 1. To improve language skills. 2. To give awareness about different career options and pathways. 3. To focus on hobbies and skills that would help in nurturing life skills. And 4. To be acquainted with the foundation courses in class 11. This program is meant for the students of class 10 who have just appeared for their board examination. This year 2020, Tarunotsav overcame the COVID challenges and went online. Presenting before you Tarunotsav 2020.
नमस्कार, मैं आज आपको जानवरों के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। इंसानों की तरह ही जानवर भी सजीव प्राणी हैं। वैसे तो भिन्न भिन्न आधारों पर जानवरों को वर्गीकृत किया जाता है, पर उनके रहने के स्थान के आधार पर उनको दो भागों में बांटा जाता है। पहला पालतू जानवर और दूसरा जंगली जानवर। जैसा कि नाम से प्रतीत हो रहा है, जंगल में रहने वाला जानवर जंगली जानवर कहलाते हैं और वह जानवर जो हमारे घर में हमारे साथ रहते हैं और हमारे कामों में हमारी सहायता करते हैं, वह जानवर पालतू या घरेलू जानवर कहलाते हैं। तो आइए जानते हैं कुछ जंगली और पालतू जानवरों के बारे में। मैं आपको खरगोश के बारे में बताऊंगा। खरगोश एक पालतू जानवर है। खरगोश बहुत ही सुंदर और प्यारा जानवर है। ये अपनी चंचलता और सुंदरता से सबका मन मोह लेते हैं। खरगोश सफेद, काले और भूरे रंग के होते हैं। खरगोश शाकाहारी होते हैं। तो अगला जानवर है भालू। यह जंगली जानवर है। भालू 4 पैरों वाला मांसाहारी जीव है जो काले, सफेद और भूरे रंग के पाए जाते हैं। भालू औसतन 30 से 40 साल तक जीवित रहते हैं।
Namaste, my name is Harish Kumar Verma. I am a librarian in KV Panjipur campus. Some people are surprised when I say I didn't find lockdown that way. I saw the lockdown as an opportunity to explore new ideas and thoughts. In some ways I was more productive than ever and in other ways less so. As soon as the library of our Vidyalaya closed to the students, I had to plan how I could still deliver a service without being in my school library and worked out how I can support the students and readers working from home. Working from home allowed me to make some positive long-term changes in myself. I learned to be more patient, to express myself differently. Now the time permitted me to focus and working with the blog. I took this as a challenge how to connect with the readers through library blog. I created an interactive blog, a blog which talks to its reader. The blog is fully equipped with online resources, digital initiatives, useful information and many more. Students enjoyed the blog very much.
Virtual library helped me gain a lot of data and provide educational information with a click of a button.
BookTech 3.0 is a free web-based reading motivation program that encourages children to read books, take quizzes and win prizes. It not only rewards children for reading but also helps to develop their love for it.
Good morning students, I am Gigi ma'am. I am in our school campus, came for a morning walk and I saw a seed here, big one pot, I think it is a pot, and inside you can see the seeds. See the seeds here, small seeds, and I think it is seed from cerise tree. You know, many cerise trees are in our school campus and the seed has fallen down and it's growing naturally. You can see that here. See here, you can see the seed here, and it start growing. See here, it has fallen down and it has come out, and see, you can see the seeds here, and here also you can see it is from the pod itself it start growing. One is here and another one is growing like this, and it has a root, and first the growing from the root, the root is growing from the seed, you can see here, and see the baby plant is inside the seed, you can see here, directly you can see here. And when it grows, the seed fixes in the soil like this. See, you can see here, the seed fixes in the soil and it start growing. Here also you can see the root fixes in the soil. Here, see here, root fixes in the soil. So the first root come from the seed. It is coming, root is coming, and it fixes in the soil and it grows into the baby plant, and later it grows into a big tree. And now I can show you the parts of the seed. You can see here. Here first one, you can see the brown color cot. Brown color.
Silent Sentinels, the story of the megaliths. Big stone boulders known as megaliths were arranged in a circle or as a single stand-alone stone on the surface or underground to mark the burial sites, a practice that began about 3000 years ago in Deccan, South India and Kashmir. The dead were buried along with distinctive pots called black and red ware, tools, weapons of iron, skeletons of horses, and ornaments of stone and gold. Finding out about social differences. Articles found with the skeleton of the dead by the archaeologists were not same for every dead body. Some dead bodies were buried with gold beads, stone beads, and copper bangles. If jewelry is found with skeleton, it is assumed that the skeleton is that of a woman.
Organisms. One day, 3 boys finished their school and were going to home.
It was a very busy day at school. I am very tired.
Yes, me too.
I wish that we never had to go to school
go. That would be great.
Then they see a polio vaccine camp on their way back home. They go there and they ask the lady at the counter.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you tell what is going on here? Oh, hello. This is the polio camp. We are vaccinating children below 5 from the polio virus.
What is a polio virus?
It's a microorganism which can cause this dangerous disease called polio.
Hello all, my name is Nandana. I am studying in class 5A. This is my brother. Hello all, my name is VK Vihan. I am studying in class 2A. Here we are going to show you things that dissolve in water, that is soluble in water, and things which does not dissolve in water, that is insoluble in water. Here I have taken milk, chalk powder, sand, salt, sugar and some water. From this we are going to show you what is insoluble substances and soluble substances.
Hello, I am Dia. I study in class 5A. Look what I have here. This is called a pinwheel. It is made up of a paper, a clip and a stick. Today I am going to show you how it works. Here you can see these papers are folded to create a pocket. The wind fills up and then the next one comes and it pushes each other, and this way they cycle up their rotation. See, this fills up the air and it goes on. There are so many ways you can make it rotate: pushing by hand, blowing with your air, keeping it under the fan or running. Now I am going to show you about a whistle. This is a paper whistle.
Experiment with water. This is salty water and this is normal water. When I am putting this lemon in normal water, you can see it is sinking. But when I am putting this lemon in salty water, it is floating. When we add salt in the water, the density of the water increases, thus resulting in the floating of the lemon. Thank you.
Dear students, today we are going to discuss about an activity, series test lamp, as part of your work experience syllabus. As you can see, this is a series test lamp circuit diagram, and the phase wire goes directly to the face of lamp. The neutral wire gets split in between the lamp connection, that is, it is connected to the testing probe. Here you can see the plug line, that is this one. First of all, I am going to test the continuity of this circuit. How to test the continuity? I have to shorten the testing probe. We are going to test the continuity of the circuit. Let's join the splitted neutral terminal. So, while joining the circuit neutral terminal, the circuit gets completed. That means the circuit is continuous. Suppose we want to test this LED bulb. We are going to test this LED bulb. See, the lamp is not working. That means this LED will be an open circuit. We want to test the 3-pin plug of this iron box. So I am going to test the two terminals. Here the bulb blinks. That means it is a continuous circuit. Now I am going to test the earth leakage. If by joining the earth and phase line it is not glowing, that means the earth and phase are not connected. So it is a safe circuit. If you want to test the earth continuity, you have to touch between the earth line and the coating of the iron box. So dear children, this is all about the series test lamp.
I am Dilna Fareen of class 5th B. Today I am going to tell you the importance of yoga. Yogic path to success. What is yoga? Yoga is the process of becoming more aware of who we are. Yoga facilitates balance and help unfold our dormant potential. Yoga leads to self-discovery leading to self-mastery. Yoga brings a connect to intuitive and creative parts of us, making us discover our inner strength and growth. 4 yogic pathways to attain success or gain achievement are: first, Karma Yoga, selfless action and correct action. Second, Bhakti Yoga, create holy and clean thoughts, remove all negative thoughts and deeds. Third, Raja Yoga, removal of restlessness in the mind, ability to stay focused. Fourth, Jnana Yoga, the path of knowledge. Knowledge brings light by burning all the impurities of the mind. Today, the whole world is battling the pandemic of coronavirus.
The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. The COVID-19 lockdown period has brought about a number of changes in our lifestyle. Today, I wish to share the changes that had to be brought about by teachers in their teaching methodology. In the month of April, students had to be kept engaged with learning. Teachers from across the country explored and experimented with various ICT tools. While some chose YouTube Live, some chose Facebook Live and Google Classroom, I chose the virtual teaching classroom mode. This gave me an opportunity to interact with students. In fact, we could celebrate the Mother's Day and birthdays virtually. It also took care of their mental health. In this way, COVID-19 lockdown period gave me a rich learning experience and made me an effective online teacher too. Technology can never replace teachers, but technology can make teaching effective. Let us hear from other stakeholders too. This is Shanti, TGT English from KV Ashok Nagar.
Hello, I'm J.K. Keshav. I'm studying in 6th D from Kendra Vidyalaya Ashok Nagar, Chennai. I'm looking forward for my virtual classroom learning.
I'm Ananya of class 9 studying in KV Ashok Nagar. During the period of lockdown, many developed new skills. I too honed my tech skills. My teachers explored various ways to keep us engaged, and that's how I have become a self-learner using digital platforms.
Hi, I'm Pranesh from class 7B. I don't give the laptop to anybody at 5 p.m. because I have my English virtual classes. During the lockdown, I miss my PT periods in school, but I don't miss my English classes. It's such a joy seeing my friends together. Thank you, ma'am.
Unexpected lockdown, missing our noisy interactive classes. Adverse situations made us quick learners. Used Google Classroom app for online teaching and occasional video chats with my students and parents to get their feedback and to boost each other's morale.
I miss my school only for the playground. Otherwise, whether it's science or English, we are totally engaged in the online learning mode. By the way, this is Vaishnavi from KV Ashok Nagar.
These days, my mother says, don't go out, don't touch this, don't do that. So many don'ts. But she never says no to my virtual classes. She always sees a smile on my face after the virtual classes. This gives her so much relief, and I also see my friends doing the learning too. I thank my teachers for exposing me to the virtual learning. I am Avanish of 6th standard studying in Kendra Vidyalaya Ashok Nagar.
Hi, this is Riddhima of class 10C from Kendra Vidyalaya Ashok Nagar. Being a student of class 10 now, I thought that this year is going to be very difficult for me due to the outbreak of COVID-19. But I was wrong because our online classes are going on incessantly without any hurdle. And for me,
Morning, I'm Soumya of class 10th, studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya Rameshwaram. Due to this coronavirus, our schools has not been opened. From April month onwards, our school has started online classes. Because of the online classes, we are able to continue our studies. For these online classes, there is a certain timetable for this. From 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. we have been studying continuously, and there is a break time for us, that is 12 to 12:30 p.m. For max class, we will have from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. In those time, we will ask our doubts. We will mark down our doubts, and then we are asked to ask it to our teachers. And our teachers will clear our doubts through videos. Because of this, we are able to continue our studies, and our doubts are being cleared out with the help of our teachers. And online quizzes are also being conducted for our general knowledge purpose, like the Ganga Quest and online quiz on Indian Constitution. And yesterday, PISA test is also being conducted from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Which we took photos and sent it to our respective teachers. This was very helpful, and Lark as a app has also been installed for this online class purposes. Thank you for government and our principal sir for these online classes. It has been very useful for us, and we are able to spend this lockdown period fruitfully.